Inside of your Mighty Network, you can set up custom member support. So what that means, inside of personal settings, members have access to our Mighty Networks Help Center, but we've also offered a way for you to customize that text and also that link as well. So I'm going to go ahead and say contact our team. I said my admin settings here, and I looked up member support. And then I want them to actually mail my team directly. So I'm going to go ahead and say mail to help@mightynetworks.com. And then I'm going to go ahead and click save. Oop, no space there. I'm going to click save. And then I'll show you what it looks like from a member account. So here I am inside of a member account. And if I go to my account settings here, I see contact our team. And then if I select that, it will open up a way for me to directly email the team. And that's how custom member support works.